Hello, Angelica here. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to make some air fryer chicken and I'm going to create a seasoning blend. Season how you like. Here I have some chicken bouillon powder, lemon pepper, garlic powder, dried thyme. I'm also going to add some onion powder. Here I have some dried Italian herb blend and smoked paprika. You could use seasoning salt or the blends that you prefer. I'm going for more of an Italian style chicken. So I have 3 chicken breasts. To that I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of store-bought Italian dressing. This is the Olive Garden dressing. Coat it, and now I'm just going to generously season each side. So I'm working with the small air fryer, so I'm going to do this in batches, but I'm going to set the temp to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and for the first side, I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to give my chicken a flip. And I'm going to continue cooking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go for 3 minutes because this chicken is not very thick. I'm going to remove the chicken and let it rest. I'm going to cover with foil, and I'm just going to repeat the process for the other 2 pieces. So after resting my chicken, here I sliced it up and I'm going to plate it with chipotle pasta. I will link this recipe video below for the pasta, but this is really easy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.